Can't sit back and let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You body looking right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. Baby, what you gon' do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? You wait on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? With you waiting all up daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I won't think twice. Better than fuck up your pride. Don't know, just doing on. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell a nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you. But should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you.
Somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go. Sing all I really want, yeah, be happy, yeah. Find a love that's mine, be so sweet, all I really want. Sweet Lord above, I know the answer is in front of me. But when you think you're in love, you only see what you want to see, and all I see is me for you and you for me.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for alipearlhair. It's been a little while since I worked with them, but it's always a pleasure to work with alipearl. They have some really good units, and today I'm here to share another one with you guys. And this is with the hair still being like wavy. One thing that I love about this hair is that it's not like that super tight curl. It's definitely more of like a nice like loose wave type of vibe. As you guys can see, the curl pattern in this hair is absolutely gorgeous, and this is the natural curl pattern. I don't have any product in my hair whatsoever. Okay, I have water on the top half of my hair just to like help slick it back. I didn't even use my foaming mousse, as you guys saw. I literally just used water and my comb to just comb it all back, and then it stayed. For my baby hair though, I did use these two products. The first one being this foaming mousse. I absolutely love this foaming mousse, and then the other one being this Got to Be Glued hairstyling gel. So I use this to apply my units and do my baby hairs. I love this stuff, like literally, okay, I literally squeeze out every last drop. And this is one of my favorite foaming mousses as well. This always runs out on me like super fast, but I like using this specifically when I do my baby hair on my curly units because it helps like curl the hair a little bit better. But just to like get everything to stay in place, we need to use the gel. So this is the gel I like to use. Because I did so much hard work on my edges, I really wanted you guys to be able to see them. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead, slick all the hair back, put a cute little headband on, so that way you guys can really see this beautiful artwork that I did today, okay? Because I really did work hard on it. Now the reason why I did go a little bit crazy on the baby hairs today is because of the lace on this unit. I did put some makeup on the lace, but I still felt like there were certain parts that I wanted to melt a little bit better. Like, so it looked better on this side. Like this side of my hair definitely looked good, but on this side it was looking a little, you could definitely see the line of demarcation on this side. That has more to do with how I applied the unit than the actual lace on the unit, but that was the reason why I decided to go ahead and add all these really like crazy baby hairs. But I think it was a good choice. You guys know as of lately I've been kind of like shying away from that, but today I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and add some baby hairs into this unit. And this is what I came up with. I particularly like this area here. Like this has no baby hair right here, and then look how that looks. You know, I'll come in closer so you guys can see, like, it's really, really melted. Like, really melted, okay? The lace on this Ali Pro units, yeah. You know what I mean? If you know how to do it right, yeah. So that's why I'm saying, like, parts of it was like really good, and there was like parts over here where I felt like I could see it, so that's why I added the baby hairs. But like it's parts like this that like don't have any baby hair, and it looks very natural. So I do like the lace on this unit, and this isn't any type of like special lace. It's not like HD lace. I think this is just your regular transparent lace, so I don't know if it's anything special. If it is, you guys know I will mention that in the description box. So yeah. Now as far as the density on this unit is very, very full, you guys. Super full, which I love because this is a long unit, and you guys know usually when you get longer hair, the longer the hair, the thinner it's going to be, but that's not the case with this unit. So this unit is actually pretty lengthy, which I do like, but it's also very full all the way down to the ends, as you guys saw. Very, very full. This is probably like a 200% density unit. I don't know if it's anything thicker than that, but it could very well be. One of the things that I loved about this unit though, you guys, was the knots on this unit. I love the knots on this unit. They're very, very tiny, so that's what's gonna give you the more natural look. So you guys can definitely go for a more baby hair free look if that is your preference. But for me today, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go crazy with the baby hair, especially with this long, beautiful hair, like all slick back. Look how beautiful. Like, I love the texture and the pattern to this hair. Like, it's just so bomb. Like, hello, just bomb. Definitely need to check this one out. Like, I absolutely love their hair, and you guys can definitely see why, because this unit is absolutely amazing. And one of my other favorite units that I received from them was like, I think the first time I ever tried out chocolate hair, and the very first time that I reviewed chocolate hair, I want to say that Ali Pearl was the company. Yeah, I love that unit. A lot of you guys like that hair too, so that's what I'm saying. Like, they just have a history of having really good hair. If I really enjoy the hair, then I'm going to continue to want to work with the company. I will continuously support the company, continue to promote the company, because I really believe in support in the hair. Ali Pearl is one of my favorite companies, and on top of that, they give you a lot of free goodies, but like good free goodies. So it's like you spend a lot of money on the hair, but the freebies that they give you in your package is just amazing. Like, you guys, I got a new bonnet, which I'm really, really happy about, because the bonnet is so bomb. I am obsessed with this bonnet because it's cheetah. One of my favorite things, like growing up, other than the color pink, was cheetah. I love cheetah print anything, and if it was pink and cheetah print, oh baby, it was a win-win. Like, I grew up in the era of like cheetah girls. Like, that was my era of like Disney and everything like that. So girl, like, I love some cheetah print. And let me show y'all my new bonnet, because this is my new bonnet, and I freaking love this bonnet. I think this is so cute. This is a really good quality bonnet too. It's not like one of those flimsy ones. Let me show you one of the flimsy ones. This is one of the flimsy ones. This is like my backup bonnet. Like, when I can't find a real bonnet, I'll grab this one. This is the real bonnet. This is the one that Ali Pearl gave me. Like, look at it. It's like thick, it's reversible, so if you don't want to wear it on the cheetah side, you can wear it on the all black side and have the cheetah in the inside. And one thing that I like about bonnets like this is that they definitely work better for longer hair like this, because this type of bonnet is very like small compared to this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is just a lot smaller compared to this. So real quick, while we're at it, let me show you guys how I would wrap my hair up if I was to wrap my hair up. And then this is also what it looks like without the headband, if any of you guys wanted to see what that looks like. But yeah, how I wrap my hair up when I have long hair like this is I literally like make like a little bun in the back, but like a loose bun. And then I will take my bonnet and basically drape the bonnet on the back part first and let all the hair kind of fall in there. And then boom. As far as your edges, you're gonna need a silk wrap, and they do provide you with a silk wrap as well. Okay, so you don't even have to worry about that. Like, they just hook you up. Like, I just love Ali Pearl. Let me get the silk wrap. So I literally will fold it in half. Okay, like that. And y'all see how our edges are looking like super bomb. We wanna keep them looking bomb like that. Okay, y'all see I snapped on this hair. This install is like crazy. It looks so good. Okay, so boom. And you have your little pieces, you know, with the little curly pieces, and everything is nice and covered. And you want to make sure, like, yeah, it's going to cover up your ears, so just be prepared for that. Don't tie it too tight though, because you don't want to give yourself a headache overnight. So I loosely tie mine, nothing too crazy, just because I will get a headache and I don't like it. And then this little bow, look, bow, you put it inside of the bonnet. Go ahead and wrap it all up. Now your edges are wrapped up, and then when you take all of this off in the morning, like, your hair is gonna look like brand new. This is how you would go to sleep at night. You know what I mean? Very simple and easy, and they provide this for you, so you don't even have to go out and buy one, and it's super cute, so we love that. So in the morning, you would take this off first, and then voila, you see how your hair is just wrapped up in there. Now in the morning, of course, you would need to like get some water and just like freshen it up, spray it a little bit, but that's pretty much that on that. And then for your edges, you literally just take the little silk wrap off, and then voila. Okay, that's pretty much how you will wrap your hair up at night. I did want to show you guys that just because I feel like when you have long curly hair like this, you really don't know like how to maintain it, you know, how to keep it looking good, because it's one thing to just install it and it looks good the first day, but it's like after that first day, after you got it installed at the hair salon, like, you just want to make sure you keep your hair up. And hair like this is high maintenance, but it's not as high maintenance as like the Jerry curly texture. The Jerry curly texture to me is just a lot of hair. It's too hot. I really like this unit though, you guys. That's all I pretty much have to say. Like, look how beautiful the curl pattern is. Like, I'm telling y'all, loose wave, deep wave will forever be my favorite type of hair over Jerry curly, like that super tight kinky curly hair. I like the wave. I'm all about the wave. I keep it wavy, and y'all see why. It's so bomb. Even at the ends, like down to the ends, the hair is just bomb. Okay, those are my thoughts on today's unit. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them down below, and I will get to you guys as soon as I can. I absolutely love this unit, and I know a lot of you guys will too. So if you are interested, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to the hair. Of course, we have to thank our sponsor today, Ali Pearl Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by on my channel once again to show me so much love and support. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I really do appreciate you guys, and I hope to continue to have your support. So until next time, I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.